Why?
Cause Mad. So yeah, guys, I am going.
My beloved children. Millie was a mom? I didn't even know she was married. Millie kept the secret. The father was a centaur, and the family did not approve. You had to change your water and get them to do their homework.
Good luck with that. They have a 3-second attention span.
That's 2 seconds longer than Luke.
So guys, today I'm going to be making a TV. I'll be back whenever it's done. So yeah guys, that's the best version of a TV I could get.
You will get a now-flavored lollipop. With one day, you shall frolic.
Yeah, I can't wait to walk 12 lizards on leashes. Yet another way to scare away men.
I shall hail us a cab.
So you build
Don't
a...
take no bull like this no more. $8 that you come get.
Oh yeah.
They are more invisible than me.
You gotta put redstone torches all over the wall right here.
Just on you, Granny. The meter was running.
See if she enjoys the rest of her day with only one ship.
Alright guys, put down in the comments section what you want me to build next, or what you want me to do next. If y'all want me to do any series, like a survival series, or something like that, let me know in the comments section.
I know you're
Okay
breaking the law
guys,
somewhere on the streets of New York City. On the bright side, you just tailed your first cat.
so look at that. That looks kind of like a,
Have you picked out a dress
next
for
episode
Millie
I'm
for
gonna do a,
funeral?
I'm gonna do a,
Which do you like? This or this? A pantsuit for a mermaid. Is that supposed to be funny? I don't know anymore.
I'm gonna make a stove, guys.
It's a dress. But let the things out of it. She wasn't exactly the Little Mermaid, if you know what I mean. So, Bertram, how's the eulogy coming?
Oh, just great. Working away.
A stove.
Hey! You ordered
Stove.
it. This is a sushi
Post your
menu.
first video.
No, it's not.
I'm not done with the video yet.
seating chart for the funeral.
So guys, I'll be back whenever some of it is built. See you. Hey guys, I'm back and I finished the stove. So yeah, here's the eyes. I need to put that there. And remember, any series that y'all guys want me to do, or anything else that y'all want me to build, just shout that out in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. It does really help. And I can brag about it. So yeah, subscribe, like down there under this, and see you guys. Bye.